Hello students, do you have a responsive website? Are you intending to create an Android app for your site or for someone but don't know how to code? If all the answers to the above questions are yes, then this class is specially made for you. In this class, you will learn to convert your website to an Android app instantly in easy steps. There is no need of coding or any technical skills required. The most important part is that your Android app will have multiple features which developers charge thousands of dollars to build one. Add an app icon, a logo, download feature, exit option, web push notification, and many more. I'll show you how you can turn your website into a beautiful Android application within minutes and use the power of push notification to send messages and engage your audience. Also get real-time stats of your notification to understand how people interact with your app to better every time you send a notification. Let me give you an overview of my app. This is my app EA Assam, and when I'll tap here, you'll find the logo with your name and the version and a beautiful loading bar. When the page loads, you'll see a progress bar at the top and the loading disappears when the page loads completely. This is my app, and you can see the page is appearing exactly the way it has to appear in a mobile device. Let me tap on one of my blog posts to show you further. And there is a progress bar again at the top. I'll scroll below to show you the elements of the page are intact, and it is appearing really very good to me. When I'll press the back button here in my mobile, the web viewer will go back to its original page, and this is one important feature that I have built in. When I'll turn off my data connection, you will see that there is a no connectivity page, a network error page. From here a user will be able to go to the settings from the below link here, and from this page they can even turn on their Wi-Fi or data connection to resume viewing the app on their mobile. Let me turn on my data connection again. I'll turn it on, and you will see the app is loading all by itself. Yes, there it is. The app is loading, and when I'll press the back button again, because I'm in the main screen, there will be an option which will say if you want to exit the app. If I press the yes button, the app will exit all by itself. I have two more features to show you, that's why I will press on the cancel button here. I have also built in a download option inside this app. I will show you one of my blog posts which has a download link. This is my blog post. I'll tap here. You can see the page is loading. I'll scroll below, and there is a download link here. I'll tap here. There I go. I can see the download has started, and from this menu I can even cancel the download. I'll go back again, and I'm in the main screen of my website. And most importantly, you will be able to send push notifications to your Android app whenever you publish a new blog post automatically. I'll show you how you can automate the entire process, and you can even send a manual message to all of the installed devices with any link you want to. And these were the features that I need to show you. I know you are excited. I'll see you in the coming lessons. Thank you.